Why is hoof trimming necessary? But before that, I would like to ask you not to forget to subscribe and watch our other videos. Thanks for your support. Leave your feedback. It's always interesting to read. Depending on the type of content, the amount of the procedure varies. Loose keeping involves trimming hooves up to 2 times a year, tethered 3 to 4 times. Ignoring these norms can deprive a cow of an organ of depreciation and lead to the following disorders: loss of appetite, cracks, chips on the stratum corneum, decrease in milk production, inflammatory diseases, necrosis of the epithelium, arthritis, and other joint diseases due to misalignment of the hoof. The day before the manipulation, you need to place the cow on a damp litter, so the hooves will become softer and trimming will be faster. You can immobilize the animal by fixing it by the horns, laying it on its side, or using a cow hoof trimmer. Having fixed the limbs, the manipulation should begin with the front legs, after assessing the condition of the sole. In case of inflammation, injuries, it is better to transfer the procedure. The animal needs to be calmed down. Violent individuals are administered sedatives. The sole cleaned of dirt is treated with a special tool, carefully removing the old layer about 5 millimeters to an elastic fabric. Be sure to check the correctness of the work done with a tester or a hoof knife. The sole should fit snugly against the surface of the tool. The wall of the hooves is leveled with tongs. The edges are processed with a rasp. If cracks, wounds appear after treatment, it is preferable to use iodine solution or birch tar for disinfection. Having put the animal on its feet, check the correct position of the hooves and the stability of the sole. The main condition for trimming hooves is their reliable fixation. The procedure requires assistance to hold the cow and clean it. To avoid injury to the animal, manipulations are carried out by a specialist. Cow lameness is a guaranteed loss for agricultural enterprises. Milk yields are reduced. Additionally, it is necessary to spend money on treatment, or even cull the animal altogether. The most common causes of lameness are hoof injuries, foot rot, laminitis, and digital hoof dermatitis, which usually affect the hind limbs of the animal. Meanwhile, in many cases, a sick cow can be cured and her productivity restored.